following video is a Milltronics RH-25 vertical milling machine. It's a bed type machine. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run through the access real quick. Currently we're in X. Move it back and forth. Do the Y. And then your Z. Then we're going to go ahead and use the manual hand wheel. And we're going to go ahead and bring the spindle online. Alright, that is 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. And that is 6,000 RPM, and that is the maximum RPM.
Again, the following video is a Milltronics RH-25 vertical milling machine.